Sometimes it helps to have an entirely separate area to work on a project like a rebranding or new product launch. Canto has the perfect solution in the form of workspaces, where you and collaborators can work together behind the scenes. To create a workspace, go to the Canto settings. Now let's click on Workspaces here on the options. Workspaces are an add-on feature to Canto, and you can contact the Canto sales team to enable them. Let's click to create a new workspace. With each workspace, go ahead and give it a name here in the name box. You can also add a description to help remember what the workspace is used for. Finally, you could set a custom URL if you wanted an easier way to remember it. Now, you could also set the default folder or album that shows when you open a workspace. One of these smart albums would set the workspace to show a specific file type when you open it, such as images, videos, audio, or documents. You can use a workspace for any of these, so this is simply a way to set the default view. Last up, you could also tweak the branding. You can change these from the custom branding option as you're seeing me do here. I like to set a separate color scheme for workspaces just as a reminder that I'm not working in the main library. Now let's add users to our workspace from the user access menu option. Let's click on add. This will show me a list of the eligible contributors that you can add access for in the workspace. Admins in your Canto instance will automatically have access to all workspaces, so no need to add them. Let's go ahead and add a couple of users by clicking the arrow to move them over. We can add multiple users and then finish up creating our workspace. Now, all of the users that we added will receive a notification with a link to log into the newly created workspace. When they land on the workspace, they'll have a new area that they can upload files to. Browse to files, or simply drag and drop them to start the upload process. Once you have some files uploaded, an admin can import them into the main library when the time is right. Until then, a workspace is a separate area of Canto that teams can work on key projects together. To import a file, an admin can check the boxes for selected files, and then click on this icon to move selected files to the main library. You can choose a folder to migrate the files into and press OK. Now, the files are available for all in the main library area. You could always delete files that you don't want to import from the workspace as well. Workspaces are controlled areas that aren't accessible to everyone. Think about adding them when you need a side area of your Canto instance to tackle big projects. Thanks for watching.